guys, this is Tech for Geeks channel. Today Lenovo A5 hands-on and first look. The dual-SIM Lenovo A5 runs Zua 3.9 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It sports a 5.45-inch HD+, 720 by 1440 pixels, IPS display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone is powered by a quad-core MediaTek MT6739 SoC clocked at up to 1.5 GHz, paired with 3 GB of RAM. When it comes to the camera, the Lenovo A5 sports a 13-megapixel sensor with an f/2.2 aperture and autofocus at the back. The camera comes with a monochrome flash. The handset also has an 8-megapixel front camera with an f/2.2 aperture. The Lenovo A5 is equipped with either 16GB or 32GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 256GB. Connectivity options in the smartphone include Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/NAC, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm jack. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and proximity sensor. The smartphone also has a fingerprint sensor. The battery in the Lenovo A5 is of 4000 mAh capacity. In terms of dimensions, the handset measures 146.2 by 70.86 by 9.8 mm and weighs 160 grams.